Alright, man, let's get into it. It's late night here. It's 10 p.m. But I don't even really want to make this video right now. I don't even want to make any like recaps anymore. But I gotta keep it going. I lost a trade today. Here it is. I mean, you can just see my trade and kind of hear my frustration. So we're just trying to make it quick. Let's just get this recap over with. It's just so unfortunate, bruh. So unfortunate. Here's the execution, I guess, that I took a screenshot from earlier, but like, I don't know what I need to do. I don't know. I don't know. Let's go into the day, I guess. Obviously, we were pretty bullish. We're at all-time highs, and we still haven't seen a pullback. Let's go on the 4-hour. I mean, prior to market open, go replay mode. Let's go. Yeah. So prior to market open right here, we still haven't had a retrace really. These little retracements, sure, I guess you can say. And I guess this is like a little retrace right now. But like on the 4-hour, look at this. Look at this freaking leg up. Like, there's no retracement. I mean, this is the retracement right here. So that's what I was trying to look for coming into the day. Wanted to be bullish, but also wanted to see a retrace, and that's what we got. Retrace came down all the way down to this 4-hour gap, and yeah, after that we're just really waiting to see what market does. We're reacting off this 4-hour, and now we're looking just for entries, continuations. I mean, I don't know where I could have entered right here on this move up. I was high key thinking about shorts. If we're gonna be this bearish, just trying to react off of price. I think I honestly was pretty close to entering short. Right here, after this fill right here in this gap, if this candle closed below these lows, I was gonna enter. But after seeing that, I wanted nothing to do with shorts. That was a pretty good indication for me not to take that. Dude, I just don't know how, like what am I supposed to do? Have I been switching shit up? I just what do I do, bro? Like, my problem is taking trades. Taking the right trades. It's not psychology or anything. It's just, I'm not gonna rant right now. I'm just gonna finish this recap, dude. It's just so frustrating. I haven't won a trade in over a month. Like, I just checked. My last winning trade was on the 11th of March. And I've just been losing. Throughout that span, it's only been like a few trades. Not that many trades, but still. It's just like, fuck. As you can see, we just get liquidated. My entry was just based on, I was just waiting for like some sort of pullback. Some sort of retracement. And as you can see, it's not really that significant of a retracement. But all I was looking at, I mean, I like the 5-minute. That's why I kind of scaled down to the 1-minute. After seeing this 5-minute closure, I really like that. Because we had nice volume and stuff. We didn't quite have any gaps, so that's also a reason why I kind of scaled down. Maybe that's a lesson learned. Because I really don't know what to really base my entry off of. It's just Anyways, I scaled down to the 1-minute after that 5-minute closure. Because that was a nice volume. And I was just looking for some sort of retracement on the 1-minute. So this was the retrace essentially coming down, filling this gap a little bit more, a second time, and then I needed to see volume and displacement. And I felt like this was enough for me. And the reason why, you know, I could have like waited for another confirmation candle because we still haven't really neglected, I guess you can say, or invalidated this move down, this candle down. So, but also I was thinking of a break even point. My break even was going to be, well, at first it was going to be right here. So, but then, you know, I moved it right here, which is perfect. Because this line is a 1 hour gap that we were still resting inside of it at the time. This 1 hour gap right here that we still haven't closed above is right here, that line. So that was gonna be my break even. But yeah, I can't tell you how many times this has happened where I enter and then it's just like straight down. Like that next candle is just the opposite. Like I don't know how many times like it's happened almost like all my losing trades. If I had to remember, my take profit was just based on this, you know, the closest high, the closest next draw on liquidity. If we're wanting to go higher, it's not a 1 hour. I think it's just a 15-hour high. I mean, I was really just trying to take a piece of the pie. I mean, I could have just held it all the way to here for these relative equal highs and all-time highs potentially, I think it is. But I was just trying to take a piece of the pie and look what happened. Just straight stopped out. Sucks, bro. Yeah, that's really it. Peace out. God bless.